Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. There are three sciences in the study of man. The first is the science of ordinary knowledge. The second is the science of unusual inner states, often called ecstasy. The third, which is the important one, is the science of true reality, of what lies beyond these two sciences. Only the real inner knowledge carries with it the knowledge of the science of the true reality. The other two are the reflections in their own form of the third. They are almost useless without it. Picture a charioteer. He is seated in a vehicle propelled by a horse guided by himself. Intellect is the vehicle, the outward form within which we state where we think we are and what we have to do. The vehicle enables the horse and man to operate. This is what we call the Tashkil, which means outward shape or formulation. The horse, which is the motive power, is the energy which is called a state of emotion or the other force. This is needed to propel the chariot. The man in our illustration is that which perceives in a manner superior to the others the purpose and possibilities of the situation, and who makes it possible for the chariot to move towards and to gain its objective. One of the three on its own will be able to fulfill functions true enough, but the combined functions, which we call the movement of the chariot, cannot take place unless all three are connected in the right way. Only the man, the real self, knows the relationship of the three elements and their need of one another. Among the Sufis, the great work is the knowledge of combining the three elements. Too many men, too unsuitable a horse, too light or too heavy a chariot, and the result will not take place. So there are three sciences of the knowledge.